Hello, welcome back to our channel. Today I recycled a old mirror and gave it a aesthetic look. If you guys wanna make this, let's watch the whole video. So I took a cover of my old copy and cut it into 10 cm length and breadth. You can also use cardboard. Now you have to paint the cardboard. Here I used white color. You can use whatever color you wanna make. After coloring this, I took the old mirror and stick it by using Fevicol. So for giving it a prettier look here, I am going to use many type of seashells. You can also use pearls, glitter, stones, etc, etc. As you can see, I took a different shell. I am going to cover the whole cardboard and the final look is ready now.